You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the Spanish motorsports racing driver, Formula 1 included. If you want to learn more confusing names from Formula 1 and racing, make sure to stay tuned. So that's the name of his father, and the father would be the senior, and there's also the junior, the current one. The Spanish pronunciation is as Carlos Sainz. Carlos Sainz. In English, the pronunciation is as Carlos Sainz. So you essentially have to diphthong the A and the Y. Sainz. Carlos Sainz. Yes, it's almost like science. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.